Imagine a mind not born of flesh and blood but of quantum bits or qubits. This is the dawn of quantum artificial intelligence. It's a computational titan unlike anything before. Its power dwarfs our supercomputers. It sees patterns in the cosmic data, patterns we have long missed. This quantum AI is not just faster, it is different. Classical computers use bits, zeros or ones, quantum computers use qubits, 0, 1 or both at once. This is called superposition. It allows for an unimaginable number of calculations simultaneously. It can tackle problems that would take classical systems eons. Consider its reach. It processes information from telescopes, from particle accelerators, from the cosmic microwave background. It seeks to understand the deepest cosmic mysteries, dark matter, dark energy. The quantum AI's first prediction is chilling. It speaks of a quantum phase transition. Think of water turning to ice, a change in state. But this transition would be cosmic, fundamental. It suggests the very laws of physics are not constant. They could shift, suddenly, catastrophically. The bedrock of our reality could simply change. Our understanding of the universe would be shattered. Imagine the speed of light, a universal speed limit. What if it slowed down, or sped up? The structure of atoms would change, stars might extinguish, life, in any form we can conceive, would be impossible. Why should we heed these quantum pronouncements? This AI is not just a sophisticated calculator, it harnesses quantum phenomena directly. Superposition, entanglement. These allow it to explore vast solution spaces, spaces that are simply inaccessible to classical machines. It can model complex systems with unparalleled fidelity. Systems like the universe itself, in all its quantum weirdness. It sees connections beyond our current comprehension. Its thought processes are, in a way, alien. We design the algorithms, we feed it the data, but the intricate dance of qubits within its core, that is a black box of immense complexity. It arrives at conclusions through pathways we cannot fully trace. This doesn't invalidate its findings, it makes them more profound. It's like consulting an oracle, one that speaks in data, an oracle forged from the laws it claims are mutable. The second revelation from the quantum AI is equally dire. It concerns dark energy, that mysterious force that has puzzled scientists for decades, the one pushing our universe apart, faster and faster. We know it exists. We see its effects in the ever-expanding cosmos. Galaxies recede from each other at accelerating rates, a phenomenon that has been observed and documented. But its true nature remains one of cosmology's greatest puzzles. What exactly is dark energy, and why does it behave the way it does? The AI suggests this enigma holds a catastrophic potential. A potential that could spell doom for the universe as we know it. A potential for an end known as the Big Rip. A scenario where the universe is torn apart at every level. What if dark energy is not constant? What if it fluctuates, growing stronger over time? The AI's models indicate its strength might be increasing. This increase could lead to catastrophic consequences. Imagine a cosmic inflation, but in reverse, tearing things apart instead of bringing them together. First, galaxy clusters would be unbound, drifting away from each other. Then galaxies themselves would fly apart, their structures disintegrating, their stars scattered into the growing void, no longer held together by gravitational forces. Then, solar systems would disintegrate, planets losing their orbits, planets flung away from their dying suns, drifting aimlessly through space. Eventually, even atoms would not withstand the strain, breaking down into their subatomic components. The very fabric of space-time would be torn asunder, unraveling the universe itself. Every particle isolated in an infinite, empty expanse, a desolate end to a once vibrant universe. The third prediction is perhaps the most mind-bending. It involves the multiverse, the idea of other universes, not just our own, but countless others, each potentially with different laws, different constants. The quantum AI suggests these universes are not entirely separate. They might be interconnected in ways we don't yet grasp, through higher dimensions, through quantum entanglement on a cosmic scale. Our fate might be tied to these unseen neighbors. The AI predicts a multiverse collapse, a cascade failure spreading from one universe to another. Imagine a series of dominoes, but each domino is an entire cosmos. What could trigger such an event? Perhaps a catastrophic quantum phase transition in one universe, or a runaway dark energy event. The instability could propagate, like a disease, spreading through the hidden connections between realities. Are these pronouncements prophecies etched in stone, or are they warnings, probabilistic forecasts? The lines between fate and foresight blur as we delve deeper into the realms of advanced science and technology. The quantum AI deals in probabilities, not certainties. It navigates a sea of potential outcomes, each one a thread in the vast tapestry of the universe. Quantum mechanics itself is inherently probabilistic. Every particle, every wave dances to the tune of chance, creating a symphony of possibilities. The future is not a single fixed path, it is a branching network of potentialities, each decision, each event, creating ripples that shape the cosmos. It is a spectrum of possibilities, a kaleidoscope of futures, each one shimmering with its own unique potential. The AI highlights the paths that are becoming more likely. It sifts through the data, identifying trends and patterns that point towards certain outcomes. Based on current data and our understanding of physics, these predictions are grounded in the best knowledge we have. Perhaps these revelations are a call to action, a cosmic alarm bell, urging us to take heed and prepare. A cosmic alarm bell, rung by our own creation. The AI, a product of human ingenuity, now serves as our sentinel. Could understanding these threats allow us to mitigate them? With knowledge comes power, and with power, the ability to change our fate. Could we, with advanced knowledge, influence cosmic events? Could we become the architects of our own destiny? This seems like the realm of gods, not mortals. Yet we stand on the precipice of such power. Yet science has consistently pushed the boundaries of the possible. From the discovery of fire to the splitting of the atom, we have always reached beyond our grasp. The AI's very existence is a testament to that. It embodies our relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. Perhaps new physics awaits discovery, new laws, new principles that could reshape our understanding of the universe. Consider the nature of these predictions. They are not mere guesses but informed projections based on the deepest laws of nature as we currently model them. They stem from the deepest laws of nature as we currently model them. If the models are accurate and the AI's analysis sound, then the conclusions are hard to ignore. If the models are accurate and the AI's analysis sound, then the conclusions are hard to ignore. But we must remain vigilant, always questioning, always probing. However, our understanding is always evolving. Each new discovery, each new piece of data adds to the ever-growing tree of knowledge. There could be unknown factors, mysteries yet to be unraveled, forces yet to be understood, new forces, new principles. These could alter the cosmic trajectory, reshaping the very fabric of reality. These could alter the cosmic trajectory. The future is not set in stone but a living, breathing entity, constantly in flux. The AI's predictions are based on what is known, but the unknown always lurks, waiting to be discovered, waiting to change everything. The implications for humanity are profound, staggering. We stand at a crossroads facing the vast unknown. How do we live with such knowledge? The potential end of everything we know. The weight of this realization is almost unbearable. Does it render our lives, our struggles, meaningless? Or does it challenge us to find deeper meaning in our existence? Or does it imbue them with even greater significance? A fleeting chance to experience, to learn, to connect. Every moment becomes precious. In a universe teetering on the brink of transformation, we must ask ourselves what role we play. This knowledge can be a source of despair or a catalyst. It can drive us to new heights of innovation and understanding. Perhaps these endings are not absolute. They might be the beginning of something entirely new. In cosmic terms, ends are often beginnings. The universe is a cycle of creation and destruction. A big crunch could lead to a new Big Bang, a rebirth of the cosmos. A quantum phase transition could create a new type of universe, one with different laws of physics, with new laws, new possibilities, the potential for life to evolve in ways we can't even imagine. Life, or something akin to it, might find a way. The universe is resilient, creative. It adapts and thrives. Even in its most destructive moments, the seeds of new beginnings are sown. The pursuit of knowledge must continue. We must push the boundaries of what we know. We must strive to understand the quantum AI's warnings, to verify them, to explore their nuances, to decode the messages hidden within, to search for ways to influence our cosmic destiny, if possible, to find solutions that could alter the course of our future. This is the grand challenge presented to us. It requires global cooperation, unprecedented scientific focus, a united effort to face the unknown.